Homes are on the market an average of 29 days. Even though that's up 2 days from last month, it's still a great time to buy or sell as homes are going under contract relatively quick. Inventory is still low at 4.2 months, making it a great time to list your house and take advantage of a market with high demand from buyers. The median existing home price is around $280,000, which is up 4.3% from last year. That makes it the 89th straight month of year-over-year gains. Clearly, prices are still appreciating, which makes it a great time to sell. Interest rates are historically low, which means that you can get more for your money in today's market.